how to remove a freewheel when you don't have the correct tool. So it's too small. Now this one's also, it's no good. So what we're going to do, hold the wheel, take this nut off here, and here, I can't really show you, is a little notch thing with a little indent. Get it in there, and you're going to open it clockwise, so you round and round you go. See, it's quite satisfying. My second YouTube video with tapping things with a hammer and a screwdriver. Keep on tapping around. Okay, now here's the fun bit. Thousands of ball bearings fire all over the place. Excellent. Alright, I'm videoing it so I can't be bothered to get it, but there we are. It all flies all over the place, and it's now removed. Next step, put this in a vise. It's a shame because it is quite a nice old freewheel, but I'm going to put single speed or fixed on here, so I don't need this. This goes into a vise, and twist the wheel off. I thank you. And my advice to you, rather than try and put these bearings in here, put this into the bin, because it will drive you insane. But you can do it if you wanted to, you know, go through trying to get them all back in there, which is doable.